Hey guys, so I found this foot massager with heat that I'm so excited to try it because I walk a lot every day and also I work out, so I think this might help with my pain. Okay, so I love that it has the heat, but it's optional, you can put it or not, and also it has 3 levels of like intensity, and we're gonna try it and see how it feels. Oh my god, this is really good. I love this one. It's more like a slow massage, and this one makes like a pressure in your foot. Oh, this is really good. This is perfect for people that work stand all day. You have to buy it.